Okay, good morning. Today I will discuss a new topic, that is the design of biogas plant. Already we discussed about that how to generation of the methane gas. So basically the methane gas is obtained from the anaerobic digestion process in the anaerobic digester, and the cow dung and water is mixed in a digester tank for 14 to 15 days. After that, the anaerobic digestion phenomena takes place, and with the help of pipeline we may obtain the methane gas and some other form of gases such as carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide and others. So in the introduction, the biogas can be obtained from any organic material after anaerobic fermentation by the three main phases. These are the mechanism of biogas fermentation. First one is the group of biogas microbes. The group of biogas microbes such as biogas microbes, it means that the bacteria non-methane producing and methane producing, जो बायोगैस है बैक्टीरिया, एक जो है वो मीथेन गैस प्रोड्यूस करता है और एक जो है वो मीथेन गैस प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता है. जो मीथेन गैस प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता है, दैट इज़ द हाइड्रोजन प्रोड्यूसिंग एसिटोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया एंड फर्मेंटिक बैक्टीरिया. एंड जो मीथेन गैस प्रोड्यूस करता है, that is our important constituent. So here the two non-methane producing, that is the fermentation bacteria and the hydrogen producing ectogenic bacteria. Now the groups of microbes involved in the three stages of biogas fermentation. The three stages for the fermentation of the biogas, that is the hydrolyze, ferments and organic substance. Already we have discussed in the earlier videos that the anaerobic digestion phenomena cuts into the main three stages. First is that how the cellulose converts, the protein converts amino acid and the fatty acid converts into the volatile acid. So the stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. Stage 1, that the glucose or cellulose decomposing the bacteria, that starch is produced and segregates the volatile acid. Now protein decomposing bacteria, that is known as the uh, amino acid CH3COOH, because we know that the analysis approach of the biological or chemical formula of the amino acid and the methane CH3COOH, the molecules of the carbon and the hydrogens is to be distinguished into the divided into the two different, one is methane gas, another one is the carbon dioxide. So the cellulose decomposing bacteria saccharides, protein decomposing bacteria amino, and fat decomposing bacteria fatty. So these are the volatiles acid, hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Preparing the material of all the important information have been collected and research material of biogas training center. These are the main BRC data from where we collect the different compositions of the gases. Second stage, hydrogen producing acetogenic bacteria decompose the substance produced in first stage, acetic acid, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and these are the carbon dioxide. Third stage, methane producing bacteria convert the substances produced in first and second stage, that is the methane and carbon dioxide. सेकंड स्टेज क्या होता है, हाइड्रोजन प्रोड्यूसिंग एसिटोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया जो होता है वो डिकम्पोज होगा एंड द सब्सटेंसेस प्रोड्यूस इन फर्स्ट स्टेज, दैट इज एसिटिक एसिड एंड हाइड्रोजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. The third stage, methane producing bacteria convert the substances produced in first and second stage. These are the methane and carbon dioxide. Now the design parameter. How we design a digester tank and how the values according to the given design consideration. So first one is the selection of the material. Second, the total solid contains calculation of organic material, solid parts, liquid part. The total solid contained in a certain amount of a material is usually used as the material unit to indicate the biomass into the biogas producing rate of the material most favorable to solid, that is desired up to 8%. The liquid part as per below, favorable temperature, pH value and concentration ratio for good fermentation idealistic, that is the temperature, mesophilic 20 degree centigrade to 35 degree centigrade, pH value, it is the range in between 6.8 to 7.8, CN ratio range for 20 ratio 1 to 30 ratio 1. The table shown discharge per day, value of frisk discharge and water to be added to make favorable TS condition. Body weight human 50, discharge 0.5, TS value 20, water to be added 20.75, cow 200, discharge 10, TS value 16, water to be added 10, chicken this 50, pig 0.1, 20, 20, 0.15, 7.5. Hydraulic retention time HRT for mesophilic digestion where temperature varies from 20 degrees C to 35 degrees C and HRT is greater than 20 days. Relation between HRT and TS value of 8%. These are the days, HRT days, and above is the temperature in degree C, 40, 60, 90, and temperature is 15, 25, and 30. Cross sections of a digester tank. The volume of a gas collecting chamber, that is indicated by VC. The volume of gas storage tank, this is the VGS. This is the figure of the digester. Anaerobic digestion phenomena occurs into this digester tank. The phenomena will be according to that inlet pipe and the exit pipe. Already we we discuss about how the working of the float drum type digester tank for generation of the methane gas. The volume of fermentation chamber, that is VF, the volume of hydraulic chamber, that is VH, volume of sludge layer, that is VS, the total volume of the digester tank, that is depend upon the following. These are V is equal to VC plus VGS plus VF plus VS. It means that the collecting chamber का volume, storage chamber का volume, fermentation chamber, hydraulic chamber and sludge layer का volume. Now the geometrical dimensions of the cylindrical shape biogas digester body. अगर हम cylindrical shape का digester tank की डिज़ाइन करें या सर्कुलर डाइजेस्टर टैंक की बात करें तो यहाँ पे जो रेडियस है R1 और R2, दीज आर द रेडियस ऑफ द cylinders and the dimensions according to this way. Assumptions for volume, अगर हम VC की बात करें तो 5% लेस वॉल्यूम, VS की बात करें तो 15% लेस वॉल्यूम, VGS plus VF that is 80% volume, VGS is equal to VH and VGS is equal to 0.5, VGS plus VF plus VS into K, where K is the gas production rate per meter cube digester volume per day. For Bangladesh, K is equal to 0.4 meter cube per meter cube day. Different values of the K according to the different consideration. For geometrical dimensions, D1, B1, B2, B3, R1, R2, F1, S2, F2, S1 and S2. The volume calculation of a digester tank and hydraulic chamber. The volume of calculation of digester tank, that is the 6 cow of body weight 200 kg each. The temperature is 30 degree centigrade average. So let HRT 40 days for temperature 30 degree centigrade So the total discharge is 60 kg per day. So TS of the fresh discharge, that is 60 into 0.16, and that is equal to the 9.6 kg. And this 0.16, that is the total value in 8% concentration of TS to make favorable condition. 8 kilogram solid, 8 kg influent, 1 kilogram solid, 100 by 8 kg influent. So 9.8 kg solid is equal to 100 into 9.6 upon 8, that is equal to 120 kilogram influent. So total influent required is equal to 120 kilogram. Water to be added to make the discharge 8% concentration of TS, that is equal to 120 minus 60, that is 60 kg, and working volume of the digester, that is VGS plus VF. So VGS plus VF is equal to Q into HRT. तो 120 kg पर डे हमें मिल रहा है 40 डेज के लिए, तो 120 into 40, दैट इज 4800 kg पर केजी हो गया। 1000 केजी जो है 1 मीटर क्यूब वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है, तो 4800 जो है दैट इज मल्टीप्लाई एंड 4.8 मीटर क्यूब। फॉर ज्योमेट्रिकल assumptions VGS plus VF is equal to 0.8 V and RV is equal to 4.8 upon 0.86 meter cube and diameter is equal to 1.307. So now V3 is equal to 3.14 d square into h upon 4. Putting the value V3 is equal to this, and we know that the pi r square by h is the volume. अगर r को हम डायमीटर के टर्म में लें तो d/2, तो वहाँ से हमारा पाई डी स्क्वायर, पाई की वैल्यू 3.14 एंड पुट ऑल दीज वैल्यू, दिस इज इक्वल टू 0.314 to g cube, or h is equal to 0.96 meter, say h is equal to 1 meter. Now we find out assumptions, as we know that the value of D and H, the diameter and the height of the digester tank, F1 and F2, F1 is D by 5, that is equal to 2.4 upon 5, and F2 is equal to D by 8, that is equal to 0.3. R1 0.725 D is equal to 1.74, and R2 1.0625 D, that is equal to 2.55 M. V1 and VC. V1 is 0.082 D2 and VC is 0.05 E, 0.3 meter cube. Now the dimension of the discharge, that is known and draw below this value. Volume calculation by hydraulic chamber. So this is H is equal to H3 plus F1 plus H1, that is equal to 800 mm, and for assumptions VC is equal to 0.05 V, that is equal to 0.3 V, and VGS equal to zero point 0.5 into VGS plus VF plus VC into K, where K is the gas production rate per meter cube digestive volume per day. And this value is 0.5 into 5.7 into 0.4, that is equal to 1.14 meter cube. Again, VGS is equal to 50% of daily gas rate, that is equal to 0.5 into TS into GS producing rate per kg TS, that is equal to 1.344 meter cube. From A and B, let VGS is equal to 1.344 meter cube. Now VC plus VGS 0.3 meter cube plus 1.344 meter cube, that equals to 1.644 meter cube. Again the volume VCA plus VGS, ऊपर से हम इसका एरिया को रिड्यूस करेंगे, पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, आर की वैल्यू डी बाई टू, सो दिस वैल्यू 1.644 माइनस 3.14 इंटू 2.4 स्क्वायर इंटू h1 upon 4, and solving we get h1 is equal to 0.110 m. We have fixed h is equal to 800 mm water volume, and this 1 mm is equal to 10 Newton per meter square. H is equal to H3 plus F1 plus H1, or H3 is equal to 2.10 meter. Now again we know that VGS is equal to VH3, and this value 1.344 meter is equal to 3.14 into DH square into H3 by 4, and that DH is equal to 2.85 meter. Now we know the dimensions of hydraulic chamber. Moreover, keeping h is equal to 800 mm, we can choose or rearrange the dimensions considering availability of site and construction suitability. For more suitable dimensions, we can select the drawing. For ready reference 4 family types biogas plant, drawing is shown standard dimensions, and these annexures were 40 kg, 60 kg and 80 kg and 800 kg cow dung is considerable as raw material per day respectively. If bigger size plant is required, it can be designed keeping all satisfactory consideration into design and construction. So the total solid contents of common fermentation materials in the rural areas: raw rice straw 83% content and water is 17, dry wheat straw 82% and 80 water content, corn stalks 80 and 20, green cross 24 and 76, human excrement 20 and 80, pig excrement 18 and 82, cattle excrement 17 and 83, human urine 0.4 and 99.6, and these are the specifications. Now biogas producing rate of some common fermentation material: manure, cattle dung, human waste, rice straw. Medium temperature is to this, ordinary temperature is up to this. Now wheat straw, green gross 0.45, 0.44, and experimental condition, the fermentation period of the excrement material lasts 60 days and that of stocks type lasts 90 days. The fermentation material concentration total solid content is 6%. Now biogas producing rate of some fermentation material and their main chemical compositions. The animal barnyard manure 0.26 to 0.28, methane content percentage is 50 to 60, pig manure 0.561, horse droppings 0.200 to up to 0.3, green grass 0.63, methane content 70, flax straw 0.359 and wheat straw 0.432 to 59, leaves 0.21 and methane 58, the sludge 0.64 and 50, very liquid waste 0.3 to 58, carbohydrates 0.75 to 49, liquid 1.44 and 72, protein 0.98 and 50. So the methane percentage content accordingly this. So the liquid 72. Biogas gas producing rates of several substances: water, alligator weights, water, cattle dung, pig manure, human waste, dry grass, and rice. The fermenting temperature is 30 degrees centigrade. It is batch feed fermentation that refers to the average yields of biogas per cubic meter of the digester volume during the period of normal fermentation. Meter cube per meter cube D refers to the yield of biogas per kilogram of the fermentation material. Now the speed of the biogas production with commonly fermentation material. The time amount of biogas producing in a period of time expressed as a percentage of the total yield of biogas. The biogas producing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and these are the wheat straw percentage wise. So biogas production is at highest speed. Amount of biogas produced to more than 90% of the total yield of a fermentation period. The experimental conditions: fermenting temperature is 35 degrees C. The total length of fermentation period being 60 days for excrement material and 90 days the slag type. The material concentration total solid content of the fermented fluid being 6%. Now, carbon nitrogen ratio of some common fermentation materials: dry wheat straw, carbon content 46%, dry rice 42, corn stalks 40, fallen leaves 41, soybean 41, well grass 14, peanut stems and leaves 11, fresh sheep droppings 16, fresh cattle dung 7.3, and fresh horse droppings 10. fresh manure 7.8 and fresh human waste 2.5. Now the amount of human and animal discharge per day, that is PX, Horex, sheep, chicken, human. These are the annual amount of excrement collection, annual amount of excrement discharge, daily amount of urine, daily amount of excrement, daily yield of biogas per capita. So note that the annual amount of excrements collected account for 80% of that discharge. So these are all about the design concentration of the biogas plant, how we set a plant according to the requirement of the methane gas, and we set a design according to the calculation. Okay, so we discuss all about the design of biogas plant. Thank you.